How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about the best strength program for beginners. Do this. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. Helps my channel grow. So there's a couple of beginner programs that I recommend for people who are just starting out. One is StrongLifts 5x5. That's literally just, it's a simple program focusing on the bench, the squat, and the barbell row. It's very, very good. It works. It doesn't have the deadlift, which I don't like, but deadlift is kind of tricky for beginners, but still it is a good program. The next program that I like is Starting Strength. It focuses on the compound movements, and it can be for intermediates, but it's mainly used for beginners. It focuses on progressive, it focuses on linear progression, you guys, which is just basically adding weight to the bar, adding reps. When you are starting off and you are, say, deadlifting 135 pounds, you don't need to do 10 reps or 2 reps or 8 reps. You just stick with a 5 rep kind of thing, and all you do is you just continue adding weight to the bar, because when you're starting off, you're a beginner, you can add weight very easily. Like, you should be able to go from like 135 up until about 225 to 275, just simply adding 5 pounds every time you train or once a week. It's literally as simple as that. That's why beginners, you want these beginner programs because it's the fastest way to get stronger. If you have a beginner and you put them on an advanced program like Shaiko, I did Shaiko, it's like a Russian program. You basically do cycles or blocks, if you will, and after 3 to 4 months, you kind of test your max to see if you gained. The whole point of it is to gain like 5 to 10 pounds in 3 to 4 months. So with a beginner, doing that program would be terrible, because for you, you can gain 5 to 10 pounds in literally a week because your lifts are so low. They're only 135. Me, my deadlift is 620. So I can't just keep adding 5 pounds, or in like 3 months, I would be doing like 800 pounds, which is impossible. So that is what I recommend. Starting Strength or StrongLifts 5x5. Both are good beginner programs. The intermediate programs will be the Texas Method 531, Wendler's 531, Mad Cows 5x5. I've done all of them. I've done Shaiko. Shaiko's really good. I like it. Shaiko's more of a powerlifting program, but I've done basically every single program out there, and those are the ones I recommend. End of video. Thank you so much for watching.